Hello students, welcome to UGC and TNET revision course series for political science. Topic is Vivekananda. This topic will be discussed with MCQs along with detailed information. Doing practice with MCQs is one of the most effective ways for doing the preparation. Let us start with this part. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new video. Let us start from the first question. Who wrote the book Man the Maker of His Own Destiny? Options are given here. By selecting the options, you can evaluate your preparation status. Simultaneously, you can do the preparation in a perfect manner. What is the correct option? The correct option is option C. Disciple of Vivekananda. Let us discuss some important facts about the question for strengthening the knowledge about Vivekananda. Publisher of this book is Ramakrishna Vidyasala and written in English language. Swami Vivekananda was born as Narendranath Datta on 12 January 1863. He is considered one of the chief saints of India, the prime disciple of 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna Paramhansa. He reintroduced the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. Now the question is, who were the parents of Vivekananda? Options are given here. Do you know the correct option? What is the correct option? The correct option is option 1, A and B. Let us discuss some important facts about the question. Father Vishwanatha Datta was attorney at the Calcutta High Court. Mother Bhuvaneshwari Devi was housewife. Brothers Bhupendranath Datta, Mahendranath Datta. Sister Swarnamoyi Devi. What would young Naren call himself while playing with his friends? Options are Samrat, the King of Kings, Swamiji, Young Mr. Datta, Wiley. The correct option is option A, Samrat, the King of Kings. In 1899, Swami Vivekananda started a Bengali journal to carry forward the ideas propounded by the Ramakrishna mission. It was called Vedanta Kesari Udbodhan Brahmavadin Prabuddha Bharat. Now the correct option is option B, Udbodhan. Udbodhan is the only Bengali publication of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission started by Vivekananda in January 1899 with Trigunatitananda, pre-monastic name of Sarda Prashanamitra, was a direct disciple of Ramakrishna as its founding editor. Over the years, it also grew into a publishing house and remained one of the leading publishers of literature of Ramakrishna and Vivekananda. Library facilities, reading and lending books are available at Udbodhan office. The collection varies from history, culture, the Vedas, the Upanishads to adventures. Now the question is, what was the question that Swami Vivekananda asked Sri Ramakrishna at their first meeting? The options are, have you seen God? Do you think God exists? Do you believe in God? Is there a God? Do you know the answer? The correct option is option A, have you seen God? The relationship between Ramakrishna and Vivekananda is one of the most important incidents in Vivekananda's life. With answers, I am also giving you extra informations. Through extra informations, you can make your revision perfect, and you can also solve many types of direct as well as indirect questions. Ramakrishna and Vivekananda first met in November 1881 at the house of Surendranath Mitra. Ramakrishna asked Narendranath, the pre-monastic name of Vivekananda, to sing. Impressed by his singing talent, he invited him to Dakshineshwar. Have you seen God? Was the first question young Narendranath asked Ramakrishna when he went to meet him at Dakshineshwar. The meeting proved to be a turning point in the life of Narendranath. Initially, Narendra didn't accept Ramakrishna as his master and found him monomaniac, but eventually he became one of the closest people in his life. Ramakrishna reportedly shaped the personality of Narendranath and prepared him to dedicate his life to serve the humanity. After the death of Ramakrishna, Narendra and his other monastic disciples established their first monastery at Baranagar. Ekanathji Ranade founded a non-monastic organization based on the principles preached by Swami Vivekananda. What is it called? These are the options. You have to select correct one. The correct option is option D, Vivekananda Kendra. Vivekananda Kendra is a social organization closely affiliated with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. It was founded by Ekanath Ranade to commemorate the arrival of Swami Vivekananda at the rock at Kanyakumari, where he sat and meditated for 3 days in 1892. Now the question is, Margaret Novel, a disciple of Swami Vivekananda, is well known as. These are the options. You should give the answer fast. The correct option is option D, Sister Nivedita. Now we should also know about the relationship between Sister Nivedita and Vivekananda. Margaret E. Novel, born in Ireland, was converted to Hinduism by Swami Vivekananda with a new name as Sister Nivedita, meaning the offered one. Sister Nivedita met Swami Vivekananda in 1895 in London and travelled to Calcutta in 1898. Vivekananda initiated her into the vow of Brahmacharya on March 25, 1898. Swamiji wanted that under her care, the women of India, especially in Calcutta, be looked after to improve upon their health and education. Through Sister Nivedita, Swami Vivekananda wanted to bring awareness among women about health and education. To introduce Sister Nivedita to the local people in his speech, Swami Vivekananda said, England has sent us another gift in Miss Margaret Novel. Now the question is, which of these ideas did Swami Vivekananda espouse all through his life? These are the options. Have faith in yourself, never to live a life of secrecy, living a life of integrity. All the above. Tell the correct answer. Now the correct answer is all the above. Sri Ramakrishna said, if Kesav is possessed of one sign of greatness which has made him famous, Naren has such sign to the fullest degree. The options are 7, 18, 1108. Tell the correct answer now. The correct answer is option B, 18. In which city in US a street is named after Swami Vivekananda? These are the options. You try to give the answer on your own. The correct option is Chicago. On November 11, 1995, a section of Michigan Avenue, one of the most prominent streets in Chicago that passes in front of the Art Institute, was formally renamed Swami Vivekananda Way. This date and the former street name is also important. The Art Institute used a bronze plaque to specifically commemorate Swami Vivekananda's historic 1893 speech in Chicago, because Swami Vivekananda delivered his speech in Art Institute in Chicago. See, this is very easy question. I think you can give the answer very easily. The world's Parliament of Religions, where Swamiji gave the famous speech on the universality of religions, was held in Chicago in, these are the options: September 1886, September 1893, July 1893, July 1886. Now the correct option is option B, September 1893. This incident proved as the turning point in Vivekananda's life, because after this incident, Vivekananda became as the renowned personality in the entire world. So about this incident, you should know precisely for attempting the direct as well as indirect questions, because UGC frequently asks the indirect questions also for knowing the depth knowledge of the candidate about the topic. September 11 is celebrated by remembering the speech of Swami Vivekananda, which he gave in the Parliament of Religions of Chicago. This speech of Swami Vivekananda won the hearts of the people. Now you should also know about the special things of the speech for attempting the indirect as well as direct questions from this topic. In the beginning of his speech, Swami Vivekananda said, "My brothers and sisters of America." This was a big thing in itself, because everybody expected that Swami Vivekananda would start his speech from "Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud that I am from a country which has kept the persecuted people of all the countries and religions of this earth under shelter." This sentence not only makes our country proud, but also gives respect to the patriotism within us. I thank you on behalf of the ancient saint tradition of my country. I also thank you on behalf of the mother of all the religions, and express my gratitude on behalf of millions, crores of Hindus from all castes, sects. My thanks to some, even those speakers who told this forum that the idea of tolerance in the world spread from the countries of the Far East. Now the question is, the Master as I Saw Him was written by, these are the options. First, you try to give all answers on your own. Evaluate your preparation status. Then do the revision from these questions and the explanation of the answers. If you do the revision in this way, I am assuring you that you will be able to solve any question correctly, no matter question is asked directly or indirectly. Because I saw many times aspirants get confused if question come indirectly, although they know the topic, due to lack of the depth knowledge. So through this kind of revision work, you can get into the topic and you can attempt any question correctly. Now tell the correct option. The correct option is option D, Sister Nivedita. The Master as I Saw Him is an important book on the life of Swami Vivekananda. You also should know about the important facts of this book for attempting many indirect questions. This book was written by Sister Nivedita In this book, she shared her experience with Swami Vivekananda, whom she met in London during November 1895. The Master as I Saw Him is now considered to be a classic text. In his book Indian Traffic, Parama Roy noted that the book differed from the biographies of Vivekananda in that it touched upon the agonistic, conflictual nature of the guru-disciple relationship and showed reticence about his corporeality. Vivekananda is the maker of modern India. Who said this? The options are Rabindranath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajagopalachari, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. What is the correct answer? Do you know the correct answer? Now the correct answer is option D, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Please like, share and subscribe.